Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast forest. The trees are tall and sturdy, their roots deep and strong, grounding them firmly in the earth. Now imagine that forest is your body, and the trees are your muscles, bones, and organs. At the heart of this forest lies the core, the trunk that supports everything else. Just as the strength of a tree's trunk determines its resilience, so too does your core determine the stability and strength of your entire body. But how do we strengthen this core? The answer lies in an exercise so simple, yet so powerful, that it has been gaining attention for its incredible health benefits: planking. Now, planking might seem like just another fitness trend, but recent studies have shown that it's more than just a fad. It's a foundational exercise that can transform your health in ways you might not expect. Let's start with one of the most surprising benefits: lowering blood pressure. In 2023, a groundbreaking study revealed that planking, when done regularly, can significantly reduce blood pressure. This isn't just about tightening your abs, it's about protecting your heart. You see, when you plank, your body engages multiple muscle groups, creating a sustained tension that improves circulation and encourages the efficient flow of blood throughout your body. Over time, this can help to lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. But the benefits don't stop there. Planking is also a powerhouse for building core strength. Your core isn't just about your abs, it includes muscles in your back, hips, and pelvis. These muscles are crucial for stability and balance, which are essential for everyday movements and activities. Whether you're bending down to pick something up, or reaching for a high shelf, your core is at work. A strong core means a stronger, more resilient body. For beginners, starting a planking routine can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start with short intervals, just 10 to 20 seconds at a time. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. It's not about how long you can hold the plank, but about maintaining proper form. As you build strength, you can gradually increase the time you hold the plank, but remember, quality over quantity. Now, if you're a senior, you might wonder if planking is for you. The answer is yes. In fact, planking can be incredibly beneficial for older adults. It helps to improve balance and stability, which are critical in preventing falls, a major concern as we age. To make planking more accessible, try doing it against a wall. This reduces the strain on your joints, while still engaging those all-important core muscles. For the fitness enthusiasts looking to up their game, you can incorporate variations like side planks or plank jacks to challenge different muscle groups and keep your routine exciting. The beauty of planking is its versatility. It can be tailored to any fitness level, making it an exercise that grows with you. So why not take a few minutes each day to strengthen your core, lower your blood pressure, and build a more resilient body? Planking isn't just an exercise, it's an investment in your long-term health. Like the sturdy trees in that vast forest, with a strong core, you too can stand tall, grounded, and ready to weather any storm.